I'm sure you've heard the news. NPTI Florida is where passion meets profession. Spring has sprung, and so is your opportunity to launch a rewarding career in fitness. Join NPTI Florida's April-Spring Personal Training Diploma program and graduate this summer with a high-income, in-demand career. For over 25 years, we've been training trainers with a hands-on, high-flex learning model that fits your schedule, so you can balance life, work, and education seamlessly. Plus, we've got your back with financial aid options, veteran benefits, and Pell Grants. Our graduates don't just earn a certification, they gain real-world experience in a real gym setting. They're sought after in the fitness industry because we focus on career readiness. Why not visit a class in session and see why NPTI Florida is more than just education, it's your career launchpad. Ready to kickstart your fitness career? Visit us at NPTI Florida today.